Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today is 30 March and today's topic name is the singleton class in Java. So let's see. In that the singleton pattern say that just define a class that has one instant and provide a global point access to it. Then uh, the singleton class must ensure that only single instance should be created and the single object can be used by all other classes. This is singleton class. Then next is in that there are two from singleton design pattern. In that first is a early installation and the second is the lazy installation. In early installation, creation of instant at load time, and in the lazy installation, the creation of the instance when required. Then the next we see the advantages of singleton class pattern. Then first, save the memory because object is not created at each request. Then only single instance is reused again and again. Then next, singleton design pattern. The singleton it mostly used in the multi-threaded and the database application. It is used in logging, catching, pulls, threaded, configuration, setting, etc. Then next, to create a singleton class, we need to have a static member of class, private constructor, and the static factory method. Then why to design a Java singleton class? In that, in order to make a class singleton in Java, we need to put following three things. This first is the static member of class. Then next is the private constructor static factory method. Then first we see the static member. In the static member, it gets memory only once because of static. It contain the instance of the singleton class. Then next is a private constructor. In a private constructor, it will prevent to instantiate the singleton class from the outside the class. Then next is a static factory method. In factory method, this provides the global point of access to the singleton object and the return the instant to the caller. Then next we see the difference between normal classes and singleton classes. In that, we see the singleton class from the use classes with respect to the process of the object and of the classes. Then next is to the normal class. We use a Java constructor, and one of other hand, the instantiate a singleton class, we use the method. Then next we see the other difference in that the normal class vanishes at the end of the life cycle of the application, while the singleton class does not destroy with the complication of an application. So that's all about the singleton class in Java. Thank you.